Unlock the full potential of your brand new Sony A7 Iv with this essential setup guide, from powering it on to capturing your first shot. First, let's get your memory card in place. Open the card slot door on the side of the camera and gently slide your SD card in with the label facing the back of the camera until it clicks into position. Close the door securely. Next, power and image. Locate the battery compartment at the bottom, open it, and insert the NPFZ10 battery, ensuring the contacts align. Close the compartment now, find the power switch and flip it to on. The moment of truth, your camera will likely greet you with an initial setup screen. Use the rear dial or the directional buttons on the back to navigate and select your preferred language. Once chosen, press the center confirmation button. Time to set the clock accurately. Setting the date and time is crucial for organizing your photos. Use the directional buttons to adjust the year, month, day, hour, and minute, confirming each selection. Now, let's mount your lens. Align the white dot on your lens with the white dot on the camera's lens mount. Gently insert the lens and rotate it clockwise until it clicks into place. To detach, press and hold the lens release button while rotating the lens counterclockwise. Getting familiar with the mode dial is key. The I button, right above the rear directional buttons, is your gateway to quick settings. Press it to access frequently used functions like ISO, drive mode, and white balance, all controllable with the rear dial and directional buttons. Delve deeper into your camera's capabilities through the main menu. Press the menu button. Here you'll find extensive customization options, from image quality and AF settings to playback functions and system setup. Take your time to explore and tailor the camera to your shooting style. To take your first shot, half-press the shutter button to focus. You'll see a focus confirmation. Once in focus, a full press will capture your image. Congratulations, you're officially set up and ready to start creating.